Hi gorgeous, and welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm showing you guys how I transform my home screen from these to these on iPhone. I mean, look at the difference. Don't mind my phone, I upgraded to a better phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to easily do that and also show you guys some tips and tricks, so keep on watching. So this right here is my old phone. I just changed from these to these like 1 month ago and I couldn't be happier. I'm really happy with my phone, but I also changed like the whole theme, my home screen. Just look how cute it is. Let me swipe so you guys can see. I love beige and nude and like the whole nude aesthetic. I'm just obsessed with it. So the first thing you want to do is download Widgetsmith, which is this app right here. Let me show you guys. Go to the app. Widgetsmith, the first one, and you want to like download it. I already have it, so I don't need to download. I'm just gonna open it. And here is my small widgets. You have the medium widgets and then you have the large ones. I don't have any of the large ones. Now to create these widgets, we're gonna go into Widgetsmith and we're gonna add a small widget. You're gonna press on it, you're gonna press on it again. You're gonna choose your style. I have day and date. Then you're gonna press on aesthetic theme. You choose your aesthetic. You're gonna customize theme, so you can choose the font. I'm gonna change this to Futura just to show you guys the tint. I want it white, but you can go black or blue or pink. Background color, let's go with cream, which is my aesthetic, the nude. And then border color, let's go with white. And artwork, I don't want any of that, so we're gonna save it. Apply to this widget only. Go back, save, and there you go. Your widget is just right there. Now the way to add this to your home screen is you go to your home screen, you press on your home screen, and then you're gonna see a plus up to the left. You go all the way down to Widgetsmith and you're gonna add a small widget. There you go. Then you're gonna press on that and edit widget and change to the one which is the last one that you just created. And there you go. Now you have a small widget right there with the day of the week and the date. Now if you want to add a big widget, you're going to go again, Widgetsmith, and you're going to go to medium or even large if you want, but I like the medium, like the calendar one. I'm going to show you how to do that. You add a new one, you press on it, press again, you choose what you want. You want just a time, you want time and date, or you want, for example, day and date. I chose day and date, and then you go to aesthetic. You can choose the pre-made ones, but I don't like that. I want to customize. So I have the rounded one here, but I want to change to New York. Future is also a nice one. So I change to New York. I go to the tint and I want the letters white. And then I go to the background color. You can choose gray for a gray aesthetic. You can choose pale pink, orange, so beautiful colors in here, but I want cream. And then border, you can choose with border. Let's try with border to see, and we save. Apply to this widget only. And there you go, there you have the widget that you just created. We can even give it a name, calendar 1, and save it. There you go, and then you go to the home screen, you press on it, plus go all the way down to Widgetsmith and add a medium widget, and done. Then you can edit it again and you're gonna choose the one calendar. There you go, there is the calendar. So you can play around and place them where you want. You can also add a picture, so let me show you how to add a picture. So you go on Pinterest and you search for nude aesthetic wallpaper. That's what I did, and you see you have a lot of cute stuff. Let me choose one. Let's see this one, for example. We're gonna download this image, and yeah, we go back to Widgetsmith and we go to add the medium one, or no, let's do a small one. Add a small one. So we're gonna go click on that, click again. We're gonna go down to photo, select photo, choose photo, and you're gonna click on the photo that you want right there. And there you go, you have your small widget with the picture that you want. You're gonna go on your home screen, you're gonna add another widget, a small one, done. We're gonna edit again, and choose the one that we created. And there you go, you have the picture. You can choose any picture you want. You can go on Pinterest and just write like nude aesthetic, pink aesthetic, and it comes to really cute little photos, and you can do a whole aesthetic with it. So I showed you how to add the widgets. They are pretty easy to add. Now let me show you guys how to do the icons. You see the Facebook, YouTube icon. So the first thing I like to do is go to Pinterest and write nude icons like these, and you're gonna get a lot of them. We're gonna create maybe one for email. Let me download this. We're gonna create one for TikTok. You can use anything you want. Let's use this one as well as icon. Okay, so we downloaded some pictures, and now we're gonna go into shortcuts. If you don't know or don't have shortcuts, you write it right here, and you can just like open it. These are my shortcuts. I have lots of them. You're gonna go into plus, add, and you're gonna choose scripting, not apps, scripting, and you're gonna open an app. You're gonna choose, and I want TikTok. Let's write TikTok. There you go. And you go into these three little dots right here. You're gonna write TikTok, and I'm gonna write TikTok 1 because I already have TikTok. So I'm gonna write TikTok 1. Then you're gonna add to home screen. You're gonna click on this little icon, and you're gonna choose a photo, and you're gonna go into TikTok. Choose. There you go. And then you write TikTok. Add it to home screen. So here it is. So easy, you guys. This is literally so simple. Let's do it again. We're gonna go into shortcuts. This is all done. We're gonna go into plus, add action, scripting, open app, choose. Let's choose mail. So mail it is. We're gonna click on those little dots. We're gonna write the name. I'm gonna write mail 1 because I already have mail, and add to home screen. Click on the little icon, choose photo, and mail. Choose. On here I can just like put just mail and add. Done. Here it is. Here's your mail. Now let me show you guys how to put a picture. Again, shortcuts, plus, add action, scripting, open app, choose, let's say Instagram. So there we go, Instagram. Let's write Instagram 3 and add to home screen, change, choose photo. Let's put sunshine. There you go. And I'm gonna write Instagram. Add. It's added. The reason why I wrote Instagram 3 here, because these are the details of that shortcut. So when I go to my shortcuts, you can see the names are in there. So Instagram 3, you cannot have 2 Instagrams on your shortcuts. You have to have different names on them. But that's not the names that appear on your app. So on your app, it will appear Instagram. So we created 3 different little icons. And what I did is I downloaded a lot of these beautiful like nude themed photos. Downloaded a lot of them. Chose one for my background, right? And then added widgets with some pictures and added, of course, the nude icons. Now, if you are wondering what to do with your apps, if you have to delete them, no, you don't, like the original ones. I have them all here because I haven't deleted them yet, but you can just do it like this. Remove app, and you're gonna remove from home screen. So you will have the app on your phone, just not on your home screen. So I'm gonna remove. There you go, it's done. You're gonna go all the way to the right, and you have this app library where you have all your apps that you delete from your home screen. So you're gonna go down, and here it is, called out here, but the app is there. It's just not on your home screen, and you can use a shortcut. Now, one thing with shortcuts is really annoying, but I'm just used to it. I was like, oh, I will not do that, I don't like that, but I just got used to it. When you open like something, let's open Pinterest, you see it comes that little second of the shortcuts in the screen, and some people don't know this, but let me show you something. So the way to go from the shortcuts to your apps faster, let me show you guys. it takes a while. Let me show you again. Pinterest, it takes a while. So go to your settings. You're gonna go accessibility, you're gonna go motion, and you're gonna turn on reduce motion. So that will make, like for example, it will go from your shortcuts to your app in seconds. Another trick when you are searching on Pinterest, you wanna write black aesthetic wallpaper. Don't just write black wallpaper, write black aesthetic wallpaper, because it will come up with a lot of cute pictures. Like, look at this. White aesthetic wallpaper. There you go, a lot of cutely white. Gray. You see, if you write aesthetic after like the color you want, and before wallpaper or background or even picture, it will come up a lot of cute pictures that you can use. Like, imagine like a gray wallpaper with a lot of like gray aesthetic icons and a gray calendar. It will look cute too. You can do blue, you can do black, like you can do anything you want. So let me delete these. Delete, delete, delete. You can always go back to your normal non-shortcut screen using like the normal icons from iPhone, but I just find this so pleasing to the eye and I'm obsessed. So that's it on how to customize your iOS 14 home screen. I am obsessed with how mine is looking. It's just so cute. I'm obsessed with it, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope I did help you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.